Hello there. Today, let's talk about permissions in DirectAdmin. While in DirectAdmin, scroll to System Info and Files. Click on File Manager, then go to the directory you wish to manage, especially if you have more than one domain on your account. Now click on Public HTML. Your File Manager interface will look like this, with the name, the size of the file, or the files of the directory, permissions, date created, and the ownership affiliation. As far as ownership affiliation is concerned, in DirectAdmin, it will be username/username, which is the owner of that file. If you wish to manage your file permissions, simply click on the file permission against the file that you want to manage. By default, for a file to execute or to run in public, it will be 644 or 0644. In this case, the owner, the group, and the public can read, the owner can write, and none of them can execute. That's how it is combined. If I want this file, the index.html file, not to be visible to anyone, I simply put 00 here, meaning no one can read, write, or execute it. So if a user tries to load this page, they will get an error 403, which means permission denied. Let's look at directories. They will have 0755 or 0750, meaning the owner, the group, and the public can read, write on it, and execute. Once you have such a setup for a directory, click Save and you are good to go. Thank you for watching. That's all about permissions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more.